Today is beach day with Bandit and Jackie. Jackie always waits for me when I fall behind. See, dog-friendly beach. So here they are. They found a place to dig. Bandit's the supervisor. Jackie has to do all the hard work. You out of breath, Jackie? You need a break? No, you're back at it. So we had to go get popcorn for these guys at the popcorn stand. All right, we got watermelon and kettle corn. They're like looking at our popcorn. We got I'll show you the company. This is interesting. It's watermelon popcorn from Pop and Duo. It's this, Jackie's trying to bust into it. It's this company that the guy started out of high school. How fun is this, guys? Look at Bandit. Look at this view.